Hello and welcome my friend, and then how to open Toyota Prius cars bonnet and hood. And this step first is that I have to open in this switch this car's bonnet and hood in that way that I pull that out, and when it is totally up, bonnet is ready for opening. And now when I have opened this my bonnet, next step is to take my finger in here and little bit lift up this my bonnet that we can hear this sound. And then just in this position, what is in like just in this Toyota stars to down, I install my fingers in here and I lift up, I flip that up, and same time I lift up this my hood open, and there is the switch what I just little bit open in that way. And now we can see closer. I install first my fingers in here and second hand lift that, and this is the switch, and when I pull that up, this bonnet opens nicely. This is the switch. Okay, excellent. And then I have second step to do in here, and let's go to look at how I connect this hook. Okay, and there is really interesting hook in this position that when we open this bonnet, there is this hook what I have to open in that way, pull up, and then I rotate that in this specific hole, and let's look that hole next. Okay, and there is really one specific hole in here when I open. In this position there is even small arrow, and in that hole I take my support bar and I install that in here, and now it goes nicely and we can look at even better view. Okay, now we have really nice view, and really when I connect this my steel bar, it goes in firstly in here, and then I move that, flip that down, and now it's locked, and there is arrow, and now bonnet and hood is for service position.